All right, let's get into the dumbbell shoulder press, a powerful move for building strong, defined shoulders. Grab your dumbbells and let's get started. Start by standing tall with your feet firmly planted. Hold the dumbbells at shoulder height, elbows bent at 90 degrees, palms facing forward. Now engage your core, keep your back straight, and press the dumbbells overhead. Fully extend your arms, but don't lock your elbows. Control the movement as you lower the weights back to shoulder level. Keep your wrists neutral and move in a straight line. Avoid arching your back, tighten your abs to stay stable. Remember to exhale as you push up, inhale as you lower down. Watch out for these common mistakes. Leaning back too much, this strains your lower back. Rushing the movement, slow and controlled, is key. Not fully extending your arms, make sure you hit the full range of motion. If you need an easier option, use lighter dumbbells or perform the exercise seated for more stability. Want an extra challenge? Slow down the tempo or add a pause at the top. Keep up the great work.